Hi, I'm James from Clevertouch. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the launcher on your interactive display. I'm using a UX Pro, but it will work on any one of our touch screens of the newer generations. So the first step is to make sure that your touchscreen is assigned to CleverLive. If you need any assistance with that, let us know, we can send you a video. Once it's assigned to CleverLive, you need to go into the submenu of that by pressing the top, bottom in that order. And then you'll see this menu pop up. Go into settings, you'll see there's an option to install CleverLauncher. So we're going to hit that. Once it's installed, what you'll then see is if you press the home button, it will ask you options now. So either you can use Launcher 3 as home, which is in this case the UX Pro's main interface, or the CleverLauncher itself. So you can click on that. Now, we would recommend pressing always if you wanted to set this up permanently. As it is, we're going to be darting backwards and forwards as this is a showroom, so we're going to just do it just once. Once you've assigned Launcher to the screen, we then need to go to a laptop. We need to then set it up. So I'm over here with my laptop, already got it signed into our showroom account on clevertouchlive.com. When we're in here, the next step we need to do is we need to create an interface for the launcher. Obviously, this is currently running the default. So what we do is up in the top corner, there is an interfaces option. If for whatever reason you haven't got that option, just go to the logo in the top left, press site functionality, and then just make sure you've got all ticked. So when you go into interfaces, you've then got an option for launchers. There's two ways that you can create a launcher. The first way is Scratch. So you can go in, you can essentially create your own background and then drop apps on top of that. Or alternatively, you can press the add button, and then you can see here you can choose from a variety of different templates, of which you can then drop the apps that you want to utilize on there. Once you have created your interface and it's looking how you want it to look, so I'm going to utilize the Microsoft launcher just so you can see what it looks like. So once we've created that, what we can do is go onto our Screens tab, find the screen that you've just installed Launcher on. So in this case, I know it's our 75-inch UX Pro. Click it, and then down the side, you can see you've got some options. The bottom option is Launcher, and then I can just drag and drop our Microsoft Launcher out to the screen. So now what will happen is, as you can see over here, the screen's now changed, and it will install the applications in the background. So we have to wait until that's done. So now it's installed our applications, what you can see is we've created with this launcher basically something where you haven't got access to all of the apps that we would usually have on a default UX Pro interface. This means that you can really tailor it to your specific organizational or educational requirements. So in this instance, we've got all of our Microsoft apps and nothing else. There's none of the traditional sidebars that you might be used to from your Clevertouch. So all I can do is go, right, well, I want to launch PowerPoint. I can click on my PowerPoint, and then that will then launch that app. Now again, as I said, when you press the home button, that will bring you back. I'm again just going to click just once. I would click always if you want this locked in. As I said, it's a showroom, so we don't. What you can see we've also added to make it easier is an inputs option. So we've just got HDMI 1 and USB-C there. So if you know you're only going to utilize those two particular inputs, you can just make sure that that is all you can see on your launcher. If you want to do anything more, you want to have any more information, please let us know and we can get in touch and provide a demonstration.